There we go. This is a Kenyan coin. 10 cents. Republic of Kenya. I don't know if I've done any Kenyan coins before. He looks like a cool dude. Got a bit of a beard there and a tash. He could do with one of my beard beads. Right, 1971. Well, 1971 included presidential Nixon announcing the end of the gold standard, which marked a major shift in US economy policy. Additionally, the year saw the first one-day international cricket match. Well, that's fascinating, isn't it? Bit of useless information there. Fascinating. And then the beginning of the Indo-Pakistani War. So that was 1971. So first of all, let's bang a hole in it, shall we? We'll use a half-inch punch. And we'll see what happens. This might have to be a Swedish wrap, I hope not. This is my last coin today. I think I've done 5 today. Right. Let's go over. It's a big Bertha. Yeah, I'm trying to get a hand off because I ain't going to be around for a while. There's so many ships turning up now. I'm going to have a, non-stop on the market for 7 or 8 days, which is good. And the summer's now arrived. It's getting hot. The shorts are on. Well, they will be. They're not at the moment. I don't want to get all you ladies too excited with my knees. Right. I think after this coin ring, I'm going to have a beer on the balcony with my 2 pussycats. Meow. Yeah, I know. Right, happy days. Let's show a bit of affection with Bernie. Right. So, what side are we going? Yeah, it's going to have to be this side, isn't it? Yeah, he's got a hole in his head. Yeah. This is going to be sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down. In our little tiny doming block that I've got quite used to using now. Thanks to Gary. And beer. It does make a difference. Right. Let's give it a bit of the old 1-2. Oh yeah. Soft as butter. Now we're going to find one of these. Yeah, that fits. Come on, behave yourself. Stop mucking about. There's a bit of jollop in there. It seems to be going to one side. Right, behave yourself, come on. Okie dokie, what we got? How's the edge looking? I think I'll give it a little bit of affection. There you go. I don't think we need any more heat on it for a little while. It's quite malleable. Hey, that's a good word, isn't it? Malleable. Oh yeah, very soft. I think I better check it because it's a bit too soft. And this is sexy coin and I don't want it to split because I don't have another one. No, I don't think I'm going to need the Swedish wrap after all. Be salt in it. See, just looking for the top to touch. We're not close yet, but I'm going to have a look at it and I might warm it up a bit more. Just to be on the safe side. Right, let's dry it off. And back to Spike. Back to old Spiky. Please don't split. Oh, bloody hell, this is so soft now. Please don't split my ring, Spike. Please don't split my ring. Looking good. Oh, we're getting there. I shouldn't have to use a Swedish wrap after all. That's a shame, isn't it, beer? I bet that breaks your heart, that does, doesn't it? Right. No, I don't mind using them. It just makes the videos bloody long, you know. More work for my girlfriend, like cutting out all the stupid bits I mess up and... You know the score. How's it looking? There you go, no bow. There's a little bit of a lip in there. See that? That's got to come out. I need a cold beer on the balcony with my two pussycats. We always decorate our balcony in the sun with flowers and hanging baskets. A lot of people don't bother. I mean, we use it like another room. In the summer, we're out there all the time. Right, that's good. Let's put in a slightly more abrasive Kate. I just want to clean up the edge. That's better. Right. Okay, bush is now installed. I'm ahead of myself here, aren't I? I've got to turn it into, it's still bloody cone shaped. You stupid boy. Well, it hasn't done any damage, it's just a bit arse about face, that's all. Right. Let's give it a little bit of the old hoochie coochie. Let's look with the eye. It looks like it needs to go a little bit back. I'm looking with my beady eye, that looks better. That's straight. Right, we're going to carry on with Kate. Oh, this should come up quite nice. So if you're from Kenya and you're looking for a nice ring, I can adjust the size for you. Up or down. Right, I'm now at the end of my polish. I could probably get this one out of it, and then I'll have to get some more polish. Like, we are out. Right. Yeah, this is all the polish I've got for today. Damn it. But it should do the job. Oh yeah. Ouch. Yeah, it's a bit hot. If you're not subscribed, how about considering it for me? There's no obligation. It's free. And you'll help me out a lot. A little button, bottom right hand corner of the video, down here somewhere. Hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon, and stuff happens. Oh. I do custom work. You can send me your own coins if you want. You can check out my shop, it's in the description below, it's yourfingermyring.com. Or you can mail me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. M for mouse, E for exercise. Right, what we got? I don't think it looks too bad. Everything sticks there, microfiber cloths. Oh yeah, very nice. I need to polish it more, the inside, but I've run out of polish, so I'll do that off camera another day. Right, that's that. Wow, very nice. So if you're from Kenya and you're looking for a coin ring, I've got one. I can adjust the size for you, up or down. Oh, look at that. Ain't that nice? 10 cents. Oh, this is probably when 10 cents was worth something. $1971. What's 10 cents worth now? The metal in this coin's probably worth more than 10 cents. Really crazy. There you go, folks. What size did we get in the end? This is a size 13, just over 13 1/4. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits this finger perfectly. Thanks for your support, thanks for your likes, your comments. I just thank everybody, you know, you're great people, for supporting me. I'm really surprised how much support I've got. And if we're all still here tomorrow, God willing, I will see you tomorrow. Tell me bye-bye.